What's good, y'all? BandoArtist here. Today, I think we're gonna be spray painting this PS5. Mostly because, why not? But first, I'm gonna start off with coating the white. Just around the outside to, make the outline of shape of the plants. Just with a little bit of white so I can see where I'm painting at. And I'm gonna grab here some of this green. Do a little bit of green in here. And smack it with some blue up here. Right there for sure. Woo! And grab here. Grab some of this coupons. Press down. Get a little design. You know. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Take that, put that back right there. Grab some of this white. Always gotta do the white. Spread it around. Cast some white shadow. Then today I'm gonna come in with this black. Hopefully if it sprays. It ain't been spraying right. That needs some more black. It's all good. Take this, throw that on there. Once that dries, I gotta let that dry for whatever. Anyways, on to this planet right here. I think I'm gonna do this one more of a, I don't know, probably a blue, a little bit of orange, with a little bit of green. Hit on that outside blue. Faded. Now, grab the coupons again. Gotta have the coupons. Got to. Post it on there. Make sure you don't rock it too much. Make sure you don't rock the thing too much. Boom. Throw that in there. Grab your black. Yeah. Okay. Gonna grab some of this white. Once again, hit it with the white. Bada bing, bada boom. Throw this. Throw this right here. Bada bing, bada boom. Now into the fun part. Got some green. Throw a little green strip right there. Green strip right here. Then we take some of this blue. This blue. Take it like that right there. And then we take a splash of that. Bada bing, bada boom. You gotta make sure you spray downwards because there's a little bit of gap underneath the shapes. Just a little bit of gap, nothing new, nothing too crazy. Then you grab some more of these coupons. I'm gonna just use the same one that I just had. Then you're gonna fold it. Fold it just like this right here. Just keep folding. It don't matter. Just fold it, crinkle it. It does not matter. Do what you wanna do. Take it like this right here. Grab it. Be careful now. Don't touch those shapes. Take it like this right here. Bada bing. Yeah. Be careful not to let it hit the other shape. Not to hit the shape. Not to hit the shape. Make sure it gets down to all spots. Lift it up. Take it. Flip it. Turn it. Bop it. Do what you want. Because it's yours. Art is art. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't do it, because you can do whatever you want to do. Once you have all this down pat, this dang thing right here gonna cause an issue. Issue for the tissue, I'll tell you that. I'm freshly out of those tissues. Alright, so there's that part. You gotta be careful. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna come in with this last little bit of black. This is last little bit. This is last little bit we got. So we just gonna go around outside the edge. Just go around outside it. Just around outside the edge. Ooh, I do apologize. I did not mean to hit y'all. Then you're gonna come around again, right here, fade it in, you got faded in, then you take some of this white, right here, tape, just do that right here, boom, just like that. Then you're gonna take it like this right here, grab it, spray. Spray. Flip it. Spray. Spray. I'm gonna hit it from this side one more time, cause that shit, woo. Yeah. All over this thing. Just make stars. Make sure you get that one nice and good, like it's coming out. Alright. In there. Sometimes what I like doing is tight there, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about. Let's see this reveal. Let's see how bad it is. Oh, that ain't too terrible. Hell. Let's see how this one look. Oh, that one ain't too bad. Just need a little touch up right there, but hey, that'd be pretty clean if you ask me. I don't mind at all. And yeah, I think this bit right here could be the finished product. I don't think it looks too bad, honestly. Don't look too bad to me. I appreciate y'all joining in. Appreciate y'all watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Follow all my other socials, BandoArtist. And until next time, peace out, y'all.